Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and somebody asked on Facebook how they could engrave on both sides of a hand shape. So I've got a hand shape, but I've also got it as a hairline, and you can see the hairline in my text. And I've got them separated from the design in case you're going to use text. So I would run this as a combination job. I'm representing a piece of plywood with this brown in the top left corner of your laser. Either plywood or anything you're going to engrave and cut it out. Then I'm going to take my hand shape and I'm going to nudge it out of the way. And I'm going to nudge my text out of the way. Then I'm going to take, and I would, for safety reasons, I would put in an indexing line right here. So you'll know that when you cut out the other side. So this has been cut out. We're going to nudge it over, and then we're going to mirror it. So that's the opposite side of the hand. As you can see, they won't cut each other because the indexing line is there. Then take your shape and mirror it, and then nudge it back down. So what I would do is cut this entirely out, take that piece away, and then put your new piece of wood that you've engraved on in that hole. And the reason I have the text separate, because you don't want to mirror the text. Now, if you were doing a number of these, like more than one, you could actually have two, cut out. After you've used this, you could use that for a template. And then just put the hands in there and mirror and actually run both hands at once. But if you're just running one, put that hand in that hole. And if you don't understand what I'm talking about there, let's just do this real quick. I'm going to take away my color of my hand, and I'm going to fill it in with the Smart Fill tool. So you're going to have a hole in your wood. Let's make the wood brown to put this hand into. And if I would actually take some blue painter's tape and maybe tape the edges so you would remember not to move it, and it would also keep it steady, and so it will not move. And then you could pick this hand up out of this hole with double-sided, or just wrap that around and use the sticky part of the tape to pick it up and to flip it over. But that way you can engrave on both sides of an object and it'll be identical. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.